Hey, how you going? Steve here from SAR Earthmoving. We just purchased a brand new 259 from Tom Wheaton at Hastings Deering. Today we're just using it to spread out the dirt from the pool dig. We generally do landscaping, concrete prep, just about anything in the industry really. One is the parts. Cat's open 24/7, so if we need to get something we can just swing by there in the afternoon and pick up parts. The other added bonus with this machine, we've just noticed that all the filters are the same for pretty much our whole fleet of small gear, which is a big bonus. It'd have to be the sealed and pressurised cab for sure. That'd be the biggest bonus, and the aircon.